Good morning. This is tip number 56, particularly for those who are proposed to appear for assistant public prosecutor examination, and also those who are holding public prosecutor post in any category before the High Court and district courts. So most important thing is the change of laws from 19/2025, Immigration and Foreigners Act. This act repeals uh, the Passport Entry with India Act 1920, the Registration of Foreigners Act 1939, the Foreigners Act 1946, the Immigration Carriers Liability Act 2000. So these things are most important because uh, the border state, not only border state, nowadays everywhere foreigners are uh, coming and settling in India. So earlier, many foreigners may face cases like Sri Lankan Tamilians when came and settled as a foreigners, and they face cases. Then after if he is released on bail, he will be camped. So when he will be deported to his country, all these procedures are incorporated under this act. Therefore, compulsorily you must go through the entirety of Act, Immigration Foreigners Act 2025, and also Immigration and Foreigners Order 2025. Here, under Act, Foreigners Act 2000, Bureau of Immigration is constituted. Section 7 empowers to pass prohibitive orders against the foreigners. Then those who are accommodating, their accountability under Section 18, universities and educational institutions liability, and hospitals liability, and furthermore thing is carriers duties. Those who are bringing them from foreign country to India, what all are the duties are being incorporated, and so many provisions are there. But so far, foreigners and Immigration and Foreigners Order is concerned, 2025. Illegal migrants, how to deal with illegal migrants have been settled by order. Foreigner tribunal is there. Therefore, if a foreigner wanted to deport back to their country, they should get permission from foreign tribunal. Not like that ministry, earlier ministry, foreign ministry, immigration officers are empowered. But this after this act, it is most important wherein the order says you cannot simply send back him unless and until he satisfies the foreigners tribunal. I therefore wanted to go through these two provisions deeply so that if any persons enter into India without any valid and titles or deeds or visa, they have to be dealt under this order as well as the act. For time being, I ask you to go through this, and whenever cases comes, I will read, because merely discussing of the entirety of the act will not help you. Go through this Immigration Foreigners Act 2025 and Immigration and Foreigners Order 2025. These things are most important. And passport rules 1980 has been issued, and passport application facilitation and processing rules 2010, all these are at present most important, which have been brought into effect after amendment from 28 to 2025. I hope you understand. Best wishes.